Powered by a durable motor and compact design, the pressure washer delivers strong and reliable cleaning performance for everyday use. It comes with essential accessories including a high-pressure hose, spray gun, inlet filter, and foam bottle. Here we can see the pressure washer in operation. However, the water pressure appears weak and uneven. This usually happens when dirt, debris, or plastic particles enter through the water inlet and get stuck inside the spray gun or nozzle. Such blockages restrict the water flow and reduce the cleaning performance of the pressure washer. Small blockages can significantly reduce the performance of the pressure washer. Upon inspection, a piece of plastic litter was found stuck inside the spray gun. This blockage restricts the water flow and reduces the pressure. Once the debris is removed, the water can flow freely again. After removing the plastic debris and particles from the spray gun, the pressure washer begins to function normally again. The water flow is now smooth, strong, and consistent. This clearly shows how even a small blockage can affect the performance of the machine. Always use clean water and a proper inlet filter to prevent blockages. For more information or any queries, please contact us. Our phone number and website are displayed on the screen.